Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to switch apps by using your keyboard alt plus tab. You will going to do it. I will show you in this video. If I go to recycle bin, also I open this PC and how I will going to change or switch the apps. It's very simple. Press the alt key, continuously pressing it and click tab. And now if you're using your arrow buttons, like I'm going to open recycle bin, simply release the alt, and now you can see you are now using recycle bin. Also, if you want to switch the apps, press the alt key, tab another time and release the tab, and now use your arrow keys. And if I just want to open this on-screen keyboard, just release this alt button and now you're on-screen keyboard in your Windows. So this is how you can use alt plus tab to switching apps one another into your Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.